Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to insert a document in a collection. So here I am going to type here use mydb, press enter, switching the database. Now I am here going to create one new collection db dot students dot insert, opening parenthesis, then opening curly brace. Then here I am type name colon in double quotes Sachin, comma age colon 19, comma subject colon. So here for subject we are using a array because one students can have multiple subjects. So here I'm typing maths, then another is Java. So here I'm going to press enter, write result and inserted 1. So for showing the documents which is inserted into a collection, here we are going to use tb dot get collection. Within the parenthesis we are using here our collection name students dot find. So find is a one method, press enter. So here you can see here the underscore id. So this is our document id, and the name Sachin and age 90 and subject array maths comma Java. Here for inserting, so this is the single insert. Now we are going to see the multiple documents inserted at a time into a collection. For inserting there are two ways, by using insert and using insert many. So here I'm showing first using insert. So here we are going to insert db dot students dot insert, so opening parenthesis, opening curly brace. Sorry, so here we are using an array because we are entering into the multiple entries, multiple document entries into a collection. So within this array we are opening a curly brace for one record, and for another record we can use here another curly braces. So this is the basic syntax of the inserting a multiple documents. So here within this curly braces I'm going to insert a document colon name colon John, comma age colon 17, comma subjects colon again array. Within this array I'm typing here Java, comma maths. So for second document entry here I'm going to type here name colon Julie, comma age colon 18, comma subjects colon. Within the array I'm typing here within the double quote Java, comma maths, comma PHP. So now here I'm going to press enter. So bulk write result, so write error here null empty, write console error empty, and inserted two because we are inserted two documents. So here the insert is equals to 2. So here Now I'm going to show you the results. So tv dot get collection in the parentheses double quotes students dot find, press enter. So here you can see the our first document id. So first is Sachin, then for second time we are inserted John and Julie. So now we are going to see the second way. Now the second way is for the inserting document is the insert menu. So what is the syntax? So tb dot get collection, sorry, here tb dot students dot insert menu opening parenthesis and then opening array. Within this array we are going to use the curly braces and here another curly braces. So here I'm going to use your name colon mark comma age colon 17 comma subjects colon within the array I'm going to here type maths comma Java. So now within the second record we are going to insert a name colon Nikita comma age colon 16 comma subjects colon the bracket is SQL and then we are going to press enter. So here this insert menu command returns the result acknowledged true and inserted IDs here. So you can see all the inserted data by using tb dot get collection, get collection. Within this our collection name students dot find, press enter. So you can see here first is Sachin, John, Julie, Mark and Nikita. So by using here we can, so let's summarize this. We can insert document as a single document by using a insert method, then insert a multiple document by using insert method with the array of object, and then the third one is insert menu by using array of object. So thank you guys for watching these videos. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you.